Hey guys, you're welcome back to your channel Always Trendy and Stylish with me Afreen. In this video I'm sharing with you how to correctly running exercise and what the benefit when we are running. So the first is running is free. You can do it anywhere and it burn more calories than any other mainstream exercises. Regular running can reduce your risk of long-term illnesses such as heart diseases, type 2 diabetes and stroke. It can also boost your mood and keep your weight under control. To avoid injury and enjoy the experience, it is essential to ease yourself into running slowly and increase your pace and distance gradually over several outings. I hope this video is very helpful to you, so never forget to subscribe my channel and like and share with your friends. Thank you so much.